morning, everyone. I'm Shannon K. Balinar, subject code MMAKO3. Topic is about e-commerce and internet marketing. My course is BSBA, major in marketing management. Topic for today is the exercise number 3. Our prof is Sir Planas. We are the step-by-step approach how to earn using social media through Facebook. So first, what is Facebook? Facebook is the latest in a long time, in a long line of what we know as social networking websites. But what sets it apart from the competitors is its popularity. As it at last check, Facebook boasts over 2.23 billion active users. Facebook's is a website which allows users who sign up for free profiles to connect with friends, work colleagues, or people they don't know online. It allows users to share pictures, music, videos, and articles, as well as their own thoughts and opinions with however many people like it. Earning money using Facebook involves leveraging the platform's vast user base on various features. So here are the step-by-step guide to get started. First, define your need, identify your need that you are passionate about and that has potential audience. This could be anything from fashion, technology, fitness, cooking to personal finance. Number two, create a professional profile or page. So in your profile, optimize your personal profile to reflect your needs. Use a professional profile pictures and cover photo. So for the page, create a Facebook page if you want to build a brand. Use a catchy name, professional images, and a well-written bio. So number three, build your audience in content creation, post high quality content regularly. This include articles, videos, images, and live streams. Engagement, respond to comments, join relevant to groups, and interact with your audience to build a community. So for promotion, use Facebook to promote and to reach a broader audience. Number four, monetization strategies. First, affiliate marketing. Learn affiliate programs, sign up affiliate programs related to your need. And share affiliate links in your posts and stories. Make sure to disclose affiliate relationships. And next, the sponsored posts, collaborate with brands, partner with brands for sponsored posts. Brands pay you to promote your product. So in Media Kit, create a Media Kit with your audience statistics and reach out to potential sponsors. Next, Facebook ad breaks. Eligibility, ensure your Facebook meets Facebook eligibility requirements, at least 10,000 followers and 30,000 1-minute videos on views on videos. Monetize videos. Enable ad breaks in your video content to earn revenue from ads. So next, selling products or services. Facebook shops, set up Facebook shops to sell products directly on your page. Services, promote your services such as consulting, coaching, or freelancing. Facebook stars. In live streaming, use Facebook Live to engage with your audience in real time. Stars are enabled stars so fans can purchase and send you stars during live streams, which you can convert to cash. So for the fifth, analyze and optimize insights. Your insights use Facebook Insights to track the performance of your posts and ads. Or in adjust strategy based on insights, adjust your content strategy to better engage your audience and increase monetization. So for the sixth step, stay updated on the trends, stay updated with the latest trends on Facebook and social media marketing. For the Facebook policies, ensure you're compliant with Facebook monetization policies and guidelines. So here are the tips for success for using Facebook. Consistency, be consistent with your posting schedule, the quality, focus on quality over quantity, the authenticity, be authentic and transparent with your audience. Engagement, engage actively with your audience to build a loyal following. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage Facebook to build on audience and monetize your content. To earn money using Facebook, start by defining a niche and create a professional or page optimizing it with a catchy name, high quality image, and well written by. Let's build your audience by posting high quality content, regularly engaging with your followers, joining relevant groups, and using Facebook ads to reach a broader audience. There are several monetization strategies you can use. First, you join affiliate programs and share links, collaborate with brands for sponsored posts, enable ad break if eligible to monetize video content, set up a Facebook shop to sell products, promote your services, and use Facebook Star during live streams. Use Facebook Insight to track performance and adjust your strategy based on analytics to better engage your audience and increase monetization. Stay updated with the latest trends on Facebook, monetization policies, and be consistent with posting, focus on quality, maintain authenticity, engage activity with your audience. And the Facebook is the overall people use social media. So in Facebook, we can create a Facebook page, such as for selling products or offering services, and we can we can engage to the customers using Facebook and to tips for using Facebook for selling. Create a professional image with authenticity, with with professional professional images, and become a content creator on your Facebook page. And that's it. Thank you for listening.